Okay guys, hi, Pickers the Guys in here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. And PDG reacts to Black Swan. No, Black Swan, Black Swan. So this is a song many people have been requesting, and of the person from BTS. They've been saying, oh, make sure you turn on the subtitles and make sure you analyze the lyrics because it has a deeper meaning. And yeah, okay. But I'm reacting to the song, and if something speaks to me, I'll react to it au natural, because what's the point of being fake on here? All right, so let's get into the video. Black Swan. All right, let's go. Again, the colors black and white. Interesting. Okay, so in a ballet hall, all right. I like the setting, ballet hall thing, and the white suits are popping and graceful. Look at this, graceful. Damn. All right.
But if the moment's right now, right now, 귓가에 느린 심장 소리만 뻥뻥뻥 벗어나려도 그 입속으로 점점점 어떤 노래도 와닿지 못해 소리 없는 소리 질러 모든 빛이 침묵하는 바다에 이리는 내 발목을 또 잡아 어떤 소리도 들리지 않아
First of all, the suits are bossy. Yo, these suits are banging, bro. Like, I like the transitions in how the video is done, because I do videos as well, content creation. But the transition in how they change from the black to white, the symbolism, it's all here in a nice old-fashioned theater, in this place. And no, like the moves, the dance moves, like did they do ballet or something? Because some of these guys are really graceful, like they dancing ballet and stuff.
자꾸 초점을 잃어 이제 너좀 싫어 차라리 내 맘 녹아게 내가 뛰어들어갈게 가장 깊은 곳에서 나는 날 봤어 천천히 난 눈을 떠 여기 나의 작업실 내 스튜디오 하루 깜깜하게 나를 스쳐줘 절대 흘러가지 않을 거야 다시 또 inside
All right, I get it. It's a very motivational song, talking about, recovering from whatever. If they get lost, they find themselves again. And yo, this is nice. This is nice. Bum. Whoa. Wait. What did he just do? Whoa, wait a minute. Wait, no, we're not going to skip past that. Like even if it was something special, right? Like, go. Did he flip or like a ninja? What did he do? Hold on. Is he back? Wait. Wait a second, guys. Did he just... No, I can't skip this part. Oh, okay. He did like a kick thing. Alright, cool. Alright. Nah. And as well as their choreography, it's a lot of down hands and like that sort of thing. Like, a lot of that. Look at the poses. Look at the feet. So, oh, that symbolism is dope. Is that his own shadow going back within himself, or oh, no, that was interesting. That was really interesting. I like the visuals. Visuals are really dope. The lyrics are also good too. Speaking to believing in yourself and recovering and not doubting yourself in a very creative, nice way. And speaking about love as well. It's just the song had everything. Had a nice vibe, had a nice tempo, nice beat, nice production. BTS isn't bad at all. They ain't bad. They ain't bad. I ain't complaining. They're really nice. I really liked it. Some of the dancing was really graceful, like a ballet. I guess that's why it's called the Black Swan. And the symbolism of the Black Swan being, the one that's the outlier in a family or in a setting, you know, that stands out because they don't conform. Because swans are usually white, so a black swan is like a unicorn kind of vibe. You know what I mean? Really good, nice BTS. I like it. I like it. All right, please let me know what other songs you want me to react to. Not only BTS, but any other songs in the Asian culture or anything. As a matter of fact, and I'll see you in the next video. Pick as a guide in Jamaica. PDG reacts out.